welcome back to my channel and I am back with another video. This is going to be a flip through of my July bullet journal. My theme for this month is lavender because I just wanted something really calm because last month, June right now, was very busy with all of the study going on. July is going to be due, but I was just feeling the calm lavender vibes, so yeah, let's get this started. Okay, so I'm going to be honest, you guys, this first spread is probably my least favorite out of all of them. I don't know, these lavender flowers are just not doing it for me and they look weird. I don't know. Well, the quote is at least decent, so it just says peaceful mind, grateful heart, a nice, simple, calming quote. And then I used some watercolors in this and it really ghosted, so I could not use this page, so I had to skip a couple of them. And now we have the monthly calendar. So I have the monthly log. I just stuck some watercolor paper at the bottom and the top. I just colored it with some lavender color, I guess. July 2020, plain basic. Yeah, what's new? I have my monthly playlist, and this is just, I'll just add songs and as I listen to them, new songs each month. It's completely empty right now. Now I have my habit tracker. I was kind of confused as to what to pick in my last habit, so I've left it blank for now, but if I add another one, I guess I'll let you all know. Again with the watercolor paper, and actually these lavenders, in my opinion, look better than these. What do you guys think? Anyway, so I just have the basic layout. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Okay, now we are already on the first weekly spread. So this is just, I did not really have a lot for the first week of May, so I just went with simple small boxes for each of the day. And again with the watercolor paper, I used it throughout the whole thing. I was just lazy and did not want to doodle a lot of things. I have the only thing I drew on this page are these couple of lavender leaves. Are they leaves? I'm not sure. And I just have a little quote. Still here, still strong. I think it fit very well with the theme. Then I just have my study tracker. I'll write my goals at the beginning and what I completed at the end I'll add here. Don't forget, it's just a reminders thing, I guess. And I guess that's it. Oh yeah, also I have the thankful for thing. Here I'll just add things that I'm thankful for. This is just an exercise I'm trying to do more. Just writing things down that I'm thankful for. I think you guys should do it too. And that is honestly all for the flip through. I tried not to talk a lot, even though I probably did. But anyways, I just wanted to add that I was inspired by Amanda Rach Lee. She did this lavender theme a couple years ago. I saw a lot of them on Pinterest and I really wanted to do one. So yeah, I'll link her video down below if you guys are looking for some more inspiration. And that's going to be pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.